Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just made this tutorial not long ago. If you want to know how I created this look, just keep watching. I hope you're doing well, guys. Just follow the step-by-step tutorial. So quickly, guys, I am just going to prime my eye with plouise base. Of course, I'm just gonna dab this down. Yes, the first shade is that blue shade. Just pressing it down, packing it in. Pack it in. I'm not blending at the moment. I will fast forward you in a minute, in a sec. There you go. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with the lighter shade of that blue. Just use that to blend my eyelid. I'm just blending at the moment. Blend and blend. That's all I'm just doing. Go back in with that same shade. Blend and blend. Then the previous shade I used earlier on, I want to darken my eyelid. That makes sense. So I'm just looking at the mirror thinking, wow. So fizz glue I'm gonna pour on my eyelid. So once I've done that, I'm gonna apply loose shimmer from Tech. There you are. So I just apply that on my eyelids where I applied glue before. So once I've done that, I'm going to apply another glue, which is a duo glue, the one I use for lashes. Just apply that. My center of my lid, I would say. Then after that, I have a chunky glitter from Amazon. I'm just going to apply that chunky glitter where I apply the glue. Or a messy job on hooded eye. If you have hooded eye, hands up. I want to see your hands up, guys. So I will just apply that. Okay, then the next step is eyeliner. It's L'Oreal eyeliner I'm using. It's called Tattoo eyeliner. It's so good. I will just, nearly done with the eyeliner. Then the next step is this eyeliner. You must have seen it on my video from collection. Is blue eyeliner. This is so good as well. I just want a bit of definition, like a crease-ish. So once I've done that, use Primark eyeliner again on my bottom lash, my waterline. So once that is done, then I will just go in with the first shade I use, which is this blue, dark blue. Then I will just apply that on my lower lash to diffuse that black eyeliner. Then I'll go in with the second shade. Then I'll just diffuse all the shade I have applied on my bottom lash. So far, I only use 2 shades from that palette, and the palette is from Beauty Glazed Universal Palette, Universal Planet. That's what the palette called. Then that same glue, duo glue, just apply it on my inner corner. Then place one of the chunky glitter. So the concealer I use is from L'Oreal concealer. That's what I use now. And I'm just blending. I'm going to fast forward you again, because when it comes to blending, I have to blend and blend. Juvia's Place Setting Powder, that's what I'm using right now. I have been low-key sleeping on this setting powder, but it's so good, guys. Gonna, brighten all the area I have highlighted. It's gorgeous. This setting powder is truly good. Reverse contour, for the shape of my face, I need reverse contour. Again, I use that same setting powder. On the other side, the same thing I did before. There we go. Then I use Blackopl to set my whole face. You guys have seen Blackopl on my channel. Nothing is new, absolutely nothing new. I just use everything I have at home to create this tutorial, so you can't keep buying new makeup, if you know what I mean, guys. This is Patricia Bright and Revolution contour kit, face palette. Anyway, I just call it contour kit, but it's called face palette. So I just use that with one of our brushes. That brush is from our collection. It's so good. So I'm just doing my bronze now. Bronze, bronze, and bronze. The other side. Also my forehead-ish. Then the next step, I need to kind of contour my nose. I want to give my nose some definition, I would say, if that even makes sense anyway. Yeah, just contour my nose. There we go. Then I will use the other shade, which is blush, on the other side. My favorite part anyway is doing my blush. This is a girl never used to like, you know, blush. When I was growing up, I used to find blush not make sense, but now I'm loving it. Collection setting spray is matte setting spray. This spray is so good, affordable. Then I will use the highlighter from that same face palette from Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright as Revolution. S Revolution. Doing the other side now. Voiceover is so hard. That's why I talk so much when I'm doing my makeup and tutorial and stuff. So when I'm doing voiceover, I struggle a bit. You know, we have to do everything. We don't want to be limited to what we can do. I'm still highlighting every area that is needed. My forehead, tiny little bit. There we go. Maybe on my chin. What do you think? A bit on my chin. Come on, Julia. Yes. Okay. Now the highlighter is done. What next, Julia? What next? She's looking at the mirror again. I'm just doing lip liner, lining my lip with DIY lip liner. Then I use nude liquid lipstick from Revolution Pro. I wasn't feeling it at all. So I just apply lip gloss on top of it because I don't want it to be too dry. I'm still applying that lip gloss. Here is the final look. Just zoom you in and see the details of the eye look. Guys, what do you think? I hope you like this tutorial today I put together. Leave your comment below any other tutorial you want me to do. I am happy to do so. I will see you on my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ta-ra! Bye-bye.